Hello, and welcome to English Fluency, the podcast. I'm Tom, your host and your friend on this journey to better English. Thank you for joining me today. I'm really happy you're here, and I want you to know you're doing great. Every time you listen, every time you practice, you are moving forward. Remember, small steps create big results. Today we're talking about something very important: how to speak English clearly and naturally in daily life. Maybe you feel nervous when you speak English. Maybe you worry about your accent, or you feel shy when you talk to native speakers. That's okay. You are not alone. Many people feel the same way. But together, we can make it easier. We can make it feel more natural, more comfortable, and even more fun. So let's start. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders. You are here to learn, and you are already improving. First, let's talk about what it means to speak English clearly and naturally. Speaking clearly means that other people can understand you easily. Your words are easy to hear. Your sentences are simple and correct. Speaking naturally means you sound relaxed, like you are having a real conversation. You use words and phrases that people use every day. You don't sound like a robot or a textbook. You sound like you. But how do you do this? How do you speak clearly and naturally? Let's break it down into small, simple steps. Step 1. Slow down. Many English learners try to speak too fast. They think that speaking fast means speaking well, but that's not true. When you speak too fast, your words can become unclear. People may not understand you. So slow down. Take your time. It's okay to pause. It's okay to think. When you speak slowly, you have more time to choose your words. You have more time to make good sentences, and you sound more confident. Let's try this together. I will say a simple sentence. Please repeat after me. I am learning English every day. Great. Let's say it again slowly. I am learning English every day. Very good. Remember, it's okay to speak slowly. You are not in a race. You are here to communicate. Step 2. Use simple sentences. Sometimes we want to use big words or long sentences, but simple is better. Simple sentences are easy to understand. They're easy to say. For example, instead of saying, "I would like to inquire about the availability of a table at your restaurant," you can say, "Do you have a table?" or "Is there a table free?" Simple, clear, and natural. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Can I have a coffee, please? Again. Can I have a coffee, please? Excellent. This is a sentence you can use in a cafe every day. Step 3. Listen to real English. If you want to speak naturally, you need to listen to how people really talk. Not just in textbooks, but in real life. Listen to podcasts, watch movies, listen to people in cafes or on the street. Notice the words they use. Notice the way they say things. You will hear many short, simple phrases. You will hear contractions like I'm instead of I am, or don't instead of do not. These are natural. These are what people use every day. Let's try a few contractions together. Repeat after me. I'm happy. I don't know. She's my friend. Great job. Using contractions will help you sound more natural. Now, let's talk about some real-life situations. Imagine you are in a cafe. You want to order a coffee. What do you say? You can say, "Can I have a coffee, please?" Or, "I'd like a coffee, please." Both are good. Both are natural. You don't need to use big words. You don't need to be perfect. Just be clear and polite. Maybe you want to ask for something extra. You can say, "Can I have some milk?" Or, "Can I have sugar, please?" Simple, right? The more you practice these small sentences, the more natural they will feel. Let's do a quick role play. I will be the customer. You can be the barista. Listen and repeat after me. Hi, can I have a coffee, please? Thank you. Can I have some milk? Thanks a lot. Very good. These are real sentences you can use every day. Now, let's move to another situation. Imagine you are on the phone. Maybe you need to call your friend, or maybe you need to call your office. Speaking on the phone can feel scary because you can't see the other person's face. But don't worry, you can do it. When you answer the phone, you can say, "Hello, this is Tom," or "Hi, it's me." If you want to ask for someone, you can say, "Can I speak to Anna, please?" Or, "Is Anna there?" Simple, clear, and polite. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Hello, this is Tom. Can I speak to Anna, please? Thank you. Great job. You're doing great. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward. Now, let's talk about meetings. Maybe you have a meeting at work, or maybe you meet someone new. How do you speak clearly and naturally in these situations? First, start with the greeting. You can say, "Hello, nice to meet you," or "Hi, how are you?" These are simple, friendly ways to start a conversation. If you want to introduce yourself, you can say, "My name is Tom," or "I'm Tom." If you want to ask about the other person, you can say, "What's your name?" or "Where are you from?" These are good, natural questions. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Tom. What's your name? Where are you from? Excellent. These are the building blocks of a good conversation. Now let's talk about confidence. Confidence means you believe in yourself. You feel sure that you can do something. Maybe you don't feel confident when you speak English. That's normal, but you can build your confidence step by step. One way to build confidence is to practice every day. Even 5 minutes a day can help. You can talk to yourself in English. You can read out loud. You can practice with a friend. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. Another way to build confidence is to remember that it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. When you make a mistake, don't feel bad. Just try again. You are learning, you are improving. Let me tell you a short story. When I was learning Spanish, I was very nervous to speak. I worried about my accent. I worried about making mistakes. One day, I went to a cafe in Spain. I wanted to order a coffee. I tried to say, "Can I have a coffee, please?" But I said the wrong word. The barista smiled and helped me. I felt embarrassed, but I learned. The next time, I did better. Every time I tried, I improved. You can do the same. Don't worry about being perfect, just try. You are already improving. Now, let's talk about pronunciation. Pronunciation means the way you say words. Good pronunciation helps people understand you. You don't need to sound like a native speaker. You just need to be clear. Here are some tips for better pronunciation. First, listen carefully to native speakers. Notice how they say words. Notice the rhythm and the music of the language. English has a special rhythm. Some words are strong and some words are weak. Try to copy this rhythm. Second, practice difficult sounds. For example, the TH sound in think or this. Many people find this sound difficult. To make the TH sound, put your tongue between your teeth and blow air out. Let's try it together. Repeat after me. Think. This. Thank you. Great job. If it feels strange, that's okay. With practice, it will get easier. Another sound that can be difficult is the R sound, like in red or right. In English, the R sound is made with your tongue high in your mouth, not touching the top. Let's try it. Red. Right. Really. Very good. Practice these sounds every day. You will get better. Now let's talk about intonation. Intonation means the music of your voice. In English, your voice goes up and down. For example, when you ask a question, your voice goes up at the end. Listen. Are you ready? Do you like coffee? Let's try it together. Repeat after me. Are you ready? Do you like coffee? Excellent. When you use the right intonation, you sound more natural. Let's talk about another important skill, linking words. In natural English, words often connect together. For example, I am becomes I'm. Do you becomes ju. This makes your speech smoother. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'm going to the store. Do you want some coffee? Want to come with me? Great job. These are real, natural ways to speak. Now, let's talk about small talk. Small talk means simple, friendly conversation. You use small talk when you meet someone new or when you talk to a friend. Small talk is important. It helps you connect with people. Here are some examples of small talk. How are you? What do you do? Where are you from? What do you like to do in your free time? Let's practice. Repeat after me. How are you? What do you do? Where are you from? What do you like to do in your free time? Very good. These questions are easy to use and they help you start a conversation. Now, let's talk about listening. Listening is just as important as speaking. When you listen carefully, you understand more. You learn new words and phrases. You learn how people really talk. Here are some tips for better listening. First, listen to English every day, even if it's just 5 minutes. Listen to podcasts, music, or conversations. Second, don't worry if you don't understand everything. Focus on the main idea. Try to catch the important words. Third, repeat what you hear. This helps you remember new words and phrases. Let's try a listening exercise. I will say a short conversation. Listen carefully. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm fine. What are you doing today? I'm going to the park. That sounds nice. Have a good day. Thanks, you too. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm fine. What are you doing today? I'm going to the park. That sounds nice. Have a good day. Thanks, you too. Great job. These are real sentences you can use every day. Now, let's talk about vocabulary. Vocabulary means the words you know and use. To speak clearly and naturally, you need to know the right words for daily life. You don't need to know every word in English. Just start with the most common words. Here are some useful words and phrases for daily life. Excuse me. Sorry. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Can you help me? I don't understand. Can you say that again? Let's practice. Repeat after me. Excuse me. Sorry. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Can you help me? I don't understand. Can you say that again? Very good. These words are very useful. Use them every day. Now, let's talk about asking for help. Sometimes you don't understand. Sometimes you need help. That's okay. It's normal. Here are some ways to ask for help. Can you help me, please? Can you say that again, please? Can you speak more slowly, please? Let's practice. Repeat after me. Can you help me, please? Can you say that again, please? Can you speak more slowly, please? Very good. Don't be afraid to ask for help. People are usually happy to help you. Now, let's talk about practice. Practice is the key to speaking clearly and naturally. The more you practice, the better you get. Here are some ways to practice. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. For example, I am making breakfast. I am drinking coffee. I am going to work. This helps you use English in daily life. Read out loud. Choose a short story, a news article, or even a menu. Read it out loud. Focus on clear pronunciation. Record yourself. Use your phone to record your voice. Listen to yourself. Notice what sounds good and what you can improve. Practice with a friend. Find a language partner. Practice speaking together. Help each other. Use English every day. Even small moments help. Order food in English. Say hello to a neighbor. Ask a question in a shop. Small steps create big results. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. Now, let's talk about motivation. Motivation means the reason you want to learn English. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to make new friends. Whatever your reason, remember it. When you feel tired, remember why you started. You are doing this for yourself. You are doing something amazing. Let's finish with some confidence-boosting phrases. Repeat after me. I can do this. I am improving every day. It's okay to make mistakes. I am proud of myself. Great job. You are doing great. I am proud of you too. Before we finish, let's review what we learned today. To speak English clearly and naturally in daily life, slow down. Use simple sentences. Listen to real English. Practice pronunciation and intonation. Use contractions and link words. Practice small talk. Listen carefully. Build your vocabulary. Ask for help when you need it. Practice every day. Remember your motivation. Be confident. You are already improving. Every time you listen, every time you practice, you are getting better. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about your accent. Your voice is important. Your story is important. The world needs to hear you. Thank you for joining me today on English Fluency, the podcast. I hope you feel more confident and ready to speak English in your daily life. Remember, I am here with you. You are not alone. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep going. You can do it. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and share it with your friends. If you have questions or topics you want to hear about, let me know. I am here to help you. Take care and see you next time. Bye for now.